Wait, before you scroll, just watch this thumbnail.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Pretty realistic, right? What if I told you you can make thumbnails just like this without Photoshop, without designing skills, just using AI? Stick with me till the end, and I'll show you 2 easy ways to create ultra-realistic thumbnails that will get you more clicks and views. Let's go. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm showing you how to create ultra-realistic YouTube thumbnails using AI in just a few clicks. YouTube is a competitive place, and your thumbnail is the first impression. No matter how good your video is, if your thumbnail is bad, nobody's gonna click it. But with AI, we now have superpowers. So let's dive into it. Part 1. Why thumbnails matter. YouTube thumbnails are like the cover of a book. AI helps you do all this without hiring designers or spending hours on Photoshop. Part 2. 2 AI ways to create ultra-realistic thumbnails. Basically, there are 2 methods. Method 1. Create your own thumbnail using ChatGPT plus ideogram. Step 1. Go to Google and search ChatGPT and open it. Now type this. Write a highly realistic AI prompt to generate a YouTube thumbnail on the topic, how to make thumbnails with AI. Let's see what ChatGPT gives us. Show ChatGPT generating prompt. Boom. Here's the prompt. Now just copy this prompt. Next, go to www.ideogram.ai, link in description. Sign up for free if you haven't already. Once you're in, select 16:9 ratio because that's perfect for YouTube thumbnails. Paste the prompt you got from ChatGPT. Press generate. Show AI generating images. And here you go. Look how clean, cinematic, and realistic that looks. You can now download this and upload it directly to your video. It's original, click-worthy, and AI generated. Method 2. Copy any YouTuber's thumbnail and recreate it using AI. So go to Google and type YouTube and open youtube.com. Now select the thumbnail you want to recreate. For example, I will search Mr. Beast. I like this thumbnail for Mr. Beast. Right-click on it, and here from Shri copy the link. Now search on Google and type YouTube video downloader. Open the first site. Now here paste the link and boom, here is the thumbnail. Now download this thumbnail and go back to the ChatGPT. Click on the plus button and upload the download thumbnail and write prompt like. Describe this image as a prompt so I can create this image using any AI image narrator. After that, Chat will give the prompt, copy the prompt and paste it in ideogram and wait a little bit. And boom, here is the result. If you want to face swap yourself into the thumbnail or change details, let me know in the comments. I'll make a full tutorial on that too. And just like that, you've now got 2 powerful methods to make ultra-realistic YouTube thumbnails using AI. If you want part 2 on face swaps, 3D effects, or adding yourself into any thumbnail, comment below. I got you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with any creator who struggles with thumbnails. Thanks for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.